guys, so eto guys ang niluto ko ngayon guys, butter chicken and bihon. So ito lang yung kakainin namin ngayon guys, butter chicken tapos bihon lang, no rice tayo guys. So yan lang yung ipapartner ko sa bihon ko guys, butter chicken. So this is my kind of bihon with scrambled egg and fish fillet strips chicken, and eto guys with butter chicken. So eto lang yung ating kakainin for today guys. No rice tayo guys kasi sobra-sobra na to guys. So eto guys ang aming pagkain for today guys. So ayan guys, kain tayo guys ng Jonas bihon with butter chicken. Kain tayo guys. Babush! Sarap. Sarap nito guys, promise. Sarap niya guys. Luto na to guys. Kain tayo guys. Babush!